teachers, are you ready to transform your classroom? Whether it is virtual, hybrid, or in person, imagine having a tool that can help you manage your lesson, engage your students, as well as make learning fun, all on just one simple screen. Well, today I'm going to be sharing a digital tool that does just that and more. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very much excited to show you these amazing teaching tools that's been making a huge difference for both virtual and in-person classrooms. It is called the ClassroomScreen, and if you're an educator like myself, this is going to be an absolute game changer. Well, side note, this is my absolute best. I literally use this every single day, so trust me, you are going to love this. But first, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored in any way. Everything I'm sharing here today is based on my personal experience with ClassroomScreen. And all opinions are entirely my own. I just think it's such an amazing tool and I thought to share. I believe right now you're wondering what exactly is ClassroomScreen. So ClassroomScreen is essentially an interactive digital dashboard packed with helpful tools that support teachers in organizing, presenting, and managing lessons. Whether you're teaching online or an in-person classroom, trust me, ClassroomScreen has features that streamline your lesson and keep your students engaged on one single screen. That is exactly why this is my fave. Now let's dive into what makes ClassroomScreen so versatile. For one, you can use it on a shared screen in a virtual setup, or you can also project it for an in-person classroom. With ClassroomScreen, you no longer have to jump between apps or tools, because trust me, jumping between apps or tools can be very, very time-consuming and stressful too. But with ClassroomScreen, it is all on one screen. That makes it so versatile. Everything is right here on one place, saving you time and effort while maximizing engagement. Starting with a timer widget, which is my absolute favorite. This timer widget is an incredibly useful feature for any timed activity like group work, discussions, or quizzes. Just set the timer displayed on the screen and everyone in the class can see exactly how much time is left. It helps the student to stay aware of time without having you needing to keep reminding them. Because trust me, reminding students, in a case where you have to keep saying
5 minutes left, 6 minutes left, 10 minutes left.
Right? That can be very stressful. You don't even get to strain your voice. So setting up the timer on the screen makes it very easy for the student to stay aware of what time they've got left. Then we have the traffic light. This traffic light tool is a very simple but powerful way to guide students' behavior, okay? You can set it to green when it's time to start. You can use the yellow to slow down, probably when you want your student to slow down. It is another way of communicating with your student, all right? You can also use the red for quiet time, such that when you show the red on the screen, it shows quiet time, everyone. Okay, it makes it very easy. It's like having a visual cue for behavior right there on the screen. And this works really well for online or in-person settings, letting students know when it is time to settle down or speak up. Moving to the next one, which is one of my absolute favorite. This is a noise monitor. If you're managing a classroom in person, we all know how important it is to keep the noise level in check, especially during activities that need focus. The noise monitor simply lets you set threshold, and if the noise goes above that, ClassroomScreen gives a gentle alert. It's actually a fun way for students to self-regulate, and it works wonders for quiet tasks or independent work sessions. This is another game changer for you. There is another beautiful feature, which is the random name picker. This tool is very perfect for making participation fun and fair. Just enter your student's name and let ClassroomScreen randomly pick a student to answer a question or join an activity. It keeps your students on their toes. And of course, They love the suspense of waiting to see who's chosen next, which makes it even more fun. Another beautiful tool that I'm going to be talking about today is the QR code generator. Now, say you want to share a link with your students, like an assignment or a resource, just enter the link and ClassroomScreen generate a QR code that the student can scan with their devices. It's actually very quick and easy, right? It keeps your lesson flowing without interruption. And for my tech-savvy teachers, the whiteboard, I love it! You can quickly sketch out ideas, write notes, or draw diagrams for students. This is especially useful in virtual classes where you want to usually demonstrate a concept. I mean, additionally, the most incredible part of this is you can constantly switch screens. Now, I cannot share all of these features without including how you can make use of these tools in your classroom. Now, let's look at a few scenarios. If you're teaching online, you can set up a classroom screen on your screen, keeping the timer and the traffic light visible as peak. Now, when it is time for an interactive segment, you can use the random name picker, or you switch to the whiteboard for some hands-on demonstration, which is actually mind-blowing. Now, for in-person teaching, you can project classroom screen on a projector or on a big screen so that all the students can see it clearly. This keeps them very engaged and you stay in control of the class without constantly moving between different apps. ClassroomScreen also offers plenty of customizations. From your screen to the widget color to your pen, you can use different colors, there are shades, everything is right there. Here's a quick tip that I found very helpful, which I'm going to be sharing right now. Now try using the noise monitor as a friendly competition. Like if the class keep the noise below a certain level, they can get a very great reward. If you already use other online tools, ClassroomScreen fits right in. You can combine it with Google Classroom, Zoom, or other platforms for a seamless experience. And that's it, everyone. ClassroomScreen has a bit of everything to help everyone. Whether you're teaching remotely or in person or like an hybrid model, it works just perfect for you. It's a very fantastic resource to keep your lessons organized, engaging, and flexible. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you see my content useful or informative, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. It will be my greatest honor to have you join my beautiful family. Subscribe for more teaching tips and drop a comment down below. Until next time, happy teaching. Life is